Now let's get started the deploying whatever the deployments file that we have created earlier as well. So now we will get it deployed under the uh, mm, on through the CLI commands. So first we will check whether the nodes are up or not. As you can see, the nodes are working fine. Uh, now we will now we are not individually creating that applying that kubectl apply of minus f minus f ev.yml. I am creating a customization.yml section, customization.yml. So through with that, we are going to use that one. Now we will use that CLI command of customization. So once you will see that here, so we are not, I'm not in the correct folder, so it's not getting that customization file. So you can see it gets it executed all the required one, and it deployed everything that we have required for it, that we have defined here. So all the resources has been deployed. Now we will check whether the pods are working or not. So here you can see the pods are running as well. Services have also been up. The Drupal that we have defined as a NodePort. It is working on the port 80, and the NodePort services are active on that specific port that we have defined earlier as well. Similarly, for the NodePort of your front end application that we have as well, 88, 30, 31, 534. Since it's an external IP, there is no external IP, so you can't access it through our as a load balancer. That we are not having an external IP, so we will have that through our port forwarding. So now so first we will check. So first we will go to the my the Drupal. So now you can access it to our port. Click pronounced. So that so we have used here the we have used here the kubectl port forwarding, through which we can access our applications here. Mm, we'll check here. We have a application is running, and now the application is the Drupal is running on 8080. So both of the application is running currently right now. So I've also exposed under the iterative mode. I've exit that MySQL command prompt and trying to access that MySQL, whether it is working right now or not. So if we go inside of the pod and so now we will execute under your MySQL pods, and now we will check whether the database has been created or not. So we will check whether the database has been. So the database has been already been created the MyDB. Now we'll use the database. Now the database has been changed. Now we'll check whether any tables has been already been there or not. So tables. So we have two two tables. So the data that we are earlier we have submitted that is being saved here. So again we will go to the form data and try to submit some data and check whether the data is getting submitted or not. So let's suppose we are writing something. Test YouTube email will be test at 123.com. Demo. Now is that now data has been saved successfully. Now we'll go back to the same page, which is working fine. So we'll check again whether the data has been saved or not. So you can see here the data has been added here. So I think the integration of your front end and back end has been working fine. Now we'll look around for the data via Drupal, whether the Drupal section is working as expected or not. Since I've already been used already been created that one for data CMS CMS integrations. So if I will write here under the so the data is getting directly from the CMS. So once you will port forward your applications to the front end, sorry, for Drupal. So you will find a option of installing an app, installing your. You will find an option of installing Drupal. So you need to provide your databases there as well. You need to provide a databases name, host name, username, password. Under the host view, you need to define the Drupal MySQL service name there. After that, it gets installed. After that, you need to go to the admin sections, admin modules. You need to install these three REST web services. That is your JSON API, RESTful web services and serialization. And you have to click on install. Once you will do that and go back to the content sections and add a content. Suppose I'm going to delete this one. So I'm going to delete. So once I will come here, I will not find any data here. So I will create an add content here. Suppose in a basic page article, title of your it will be as Kubernetes tutorial and test video. So it will start reflecting on your home page. So the data should be dynamically updated here on your home page. So you don't need to statically provide your data on each pages where earlier that we are using it multi-pages website where we use the CMS for content management pass. So we do here so we do the same thing here as well. So these are the things that we are doing right here. So once we are going to change and update something there, so let's suppose we are going to edit this one and change like this Kubernetes tutorial for 2026 I have mentioned here. So it will be updated the same time. So it's a best option for if you have a large amount of pages and and we have a lot of content, then we can use it through our CMS management system. So it's the best option. So now we have observed everything that we have created right there. So from the front end to the back end database, data management, database storage, and to your CMS for content management on your home page. So these are the things that we have done it here. So for in futures we will learn about how we can use network policies, and your gateway APIs and ingress controllers, how we can use that one for your future applications, how we can use for routing of your applications, and gateways and percentage based routing of your own pages of your applications. So how you can route your traffic in between the multiple deployments of or new deployments. So these are the things that we will definitely look out in the next videos as well. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.